Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 DePIN tokens outside of the top 50. We're going to start with IOTA, followed by BTT, Helium, Arweave, Golem, Aether, TFUEL, TRAC, LPT, and then we're ending with Holo at number 10. Let's get straight into it. IOTA against USD. The reason why I skip the others is because we have already done it in the previous days. Yeah, again, just a gentle reminder, IOTA is in a very, very gigantic accumulation phase. So if and when IOTA takes off, it's going to be a big, big banana move towards potentially $8.50, and after that is $24. So to me, IOTA is looking pretty good. BTT against USD. Here we are for BTT. Let's look at it on Gate. So this is where BitTorrent token is. We are again also in some sort of a squeeze. So we're on the way down. In my opinion, I think we're gonna get a wave C, then we'll get a DE, and after that, once the squeeze completes, BTT is going to go parabolic, more likely than not. Helium, HNT against USD. Here we are for Helium. Anything for us to work with? Looks just like BTT. Very long A, C is very short. I would have preferred the C to be a little bit higher first before dropping lower. But anyway, it is what it is. So we could be, consolidating here, accumulating before a break, but we will face significant resistance at this area, around $30, I would assume. 20, and after that, 30. So yeah, but Helium is in a bearish trend, so more downsides to be expected for Helium. Arweave, just like IOTA, is also in a very, very nice potential squeeze. So this is what I'm talking about. When you look at Helium, the move was only halfway. After it came down, right, halfway. You see, it's just kind of halfway, right? But for Arweave, it went very, very high, right, before coming back down. And again, in my opinion, I think potentially we're gonna see a very nice squeeze, and then we break higher. And I feel like if this were to be an ABCDE, we're very likely at the very, very lows of a potential wave C completion. How much lower are we going to go? I suspect we're going to go past $5 for Arweave. Arweave looks really, really good though. So yeah, but it's going to take several months to build the reversal, right? Like, when we dropped here and we rose back up, right? How many months was it since we took out this high? 360 months. 1 year before we went back up and took out this high. So yeah, it could take another year to build up a proper bullish reversal for Arweave. But we kind of like what we see though. It looks really good. Golem, same freaking thing. Looks really good as well. If you look at Golem, right, it's also in a very, very nice squeeze. Very, very nice squeeze. Right, A, B, C, D, E. Breakout. Do you see that? Do you see that? But the thing about Golem is that there's just not much. It's very low in terms of its trading activity, very low volume. So I would be very, very careful. Aether, okay, Aether is fairly new. But, if you were to look at Aether, right, we are in a bearish trend. Double bottom, up, now we're down. To me, this is a continuation down. And this is a head and shoulders, a variety of head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head, we're about to complete a right shoulder. Palm, dropping lower for Aether. So to me, I think Aether is going to go much, much lower. How much lower? Okay, let me just do some magic first. Magic. I want to see some magic. Okay, here we go. This is where we go for Aether. Oh, the target takes us to 2 freaking cents, right? It's 2 cents. Not looking good. So, a target fresh out of the oven. It is the 28th. Yes, sir. So 2 cents for Aether. Okay. Orange. Yep. 2 freaking cents. This is a 42% deep down for Aether. It's not looking good. So be careful about going long for Aether. I still think that there's much more downside. So Yeah, there we go. Next would be TFUEL. TFUEL. I think TFUEL is tied to Theta in some ways. Here we are for TFUEL. Anything? No. This was quite weak though. Now we're down. Doesn't look like there's anything. TRAC. Here we are for TRAC. Oh, okay, TA Coinbase. I always get confused with this. So TRAC is also in a potential squeeze. We like what we see. I think we're gonna drop a little bit lower. We may even clear these lows first before a potential bullish reversal. It's just that we're in a bearish trend, right? 3 waves down. We could see a rally first before continuing lower. I mean, of course, we could also hit higher, but yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes for TRAC. Live period token. Okay, live period token seems to be good in the sense that we could also be in a very nice squeeze, right? Although B is very low though, right? Yeah, we're very close to the potential end, right? Again, very important that the lows over here hold at $3. We're at $5. We could get a lower low though before a reversal, but it's very important that these low holds, because if we take out these lows, then we're very likely going much lower. So we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes. Holo, hot against USD. Here we are for hot. Anything for hot? Okay, hot could also be taking out these lows. So we're not too sure what the wheels of hot are doing. Yeah, the hope is that we do something like this. Breakout, right? But seems to be going down right now. So because BTC is slowly dipping, and everyone is dipping even more furiously. And that includes hot as well. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.